You've been training for months. You're getting stronger, looking better, feeling unstoppable. Then you check your bank statement and realize your gym membership costs more than your groceries. And now you're thinking, if I cancel, I'll lose my gains. I need those machines. I need that equipment. I'm doomed. Nah, let me stop you right there. I built this physique in a bedroom smaller than your bathroom, using nothing but my body and pure spite. There were no weights, no machines, not even a pull-up bar. And the punchline? I actually got better results than when I was wasting money at a commercial gym. When I say zero equipment, I mean zero. Like actually nothing. No resistance bands secretly hiding under your bed. No optional pull-up bar that somehow becomes mandatory in exercise 3. Alright, let's destroy the biggest lie in fitness right now. The idea that you can't build real muscle with just body weight. That's complete nonsense. Your muscles don't have eyeballs. They can't look around and go, oh wait, is that a dumbbell or is that just Bob's body weight? Better not grow then. They don't care. They only feel one thing, tension. And here is the science that proves it. When you do a push-up, your chest is pressing about 60 to 70% of your total body weight. For most people, that is like 100 to 150 pounds of pure resistance. And you literally needed nothing to create that. No gym membership, no fancy equipment, just gravity doing its thing. But here is the part that nobody talks about. And this is where most people completely screw up. I made this exact mistake for an entire 6 months, and I got zero results because of it. But first, you've got to understand why your muscles actually grow. Because once you get this, everything clicks. Muscle growth happens through 3 things. Think of them as the 3 musketeers of gains. Number 1, mechanical tension. That's just fancy science talk for your muscles working really hard. When you are shaking at the bottom of a push-up, that's mechanical tension. Your muscles are screaming, and that screaming makes them grow. Number 2, muscle damage. Those tiny little tears in your muscle fibers. Sounds scary, but it's actually a good thing. They repair themselves bigger and stronger. It's like your body saying, okay, that sucked. Let's make sure we're ready for the next time. Number 3, metabolic stress. You know that burning feeling when you're on rep 15 and your muscles feel like they are on fire? That's metabolic stress. It's like your muscles are having a house party and lactic acid is the uninvited guest who won't leave. But that burning, that actually triggers growth. So when people say body weight training doesn't work, what they really mean is they have no idea how to do it right. Remember I said most people fail for one specific reason. Here is the truth bomb. They have no clue how to progressively overload. Let me give you the 5 methods I used to go from struggling with 10 push-ups to banging out 50 like it is nothing. Method 1. Add more reps. Super simple. Did 10 push-ups this week? Cool. Do 11 next week. Method 2. Slow everything down. Instead of normal speed, try 3 seconds on the way down. 1 second pause at the bottom where it hurts the most. In a good way, more time under tension equals more growth. Method 3. Less rest between sets. Resting 2 minutes? Drop it to 90 seconds. Then 60. Your muscles get less recovery time, so they're forced to work harder. It's like making them do overtime. Alright, now I'm gonna give you something super valuable. The 5 exercises that built my entire physique and the exact 3-day split that makes everything work. Exercise number 1, push-ups. It hits your chest, shoulders, and triceps, all in one move. Form is key here. Chest goes all the way to the floor. Elbows at a 45-degree angle, not flaring out like a chicken. That's called scapular protraction. Very scientific. Too hard right now? No problem. Start with your hands on a kitchen counter, or a chair, or even a wall if you're brand new. Too easy? Put your feet on a chair, or do archer push-ups, or go full beast mode with 1-arm push-ups. There is always a level for you. Exercise number 2, inverted rows. This is for your back and biceps. Now you're probably thinking, wait, you said 0 equipment. How am I supposed to do rows? I got you. Find a sturdy table, get underneath it, grab the edge, pull yourself up. That's an inverted row. Your back is working, your biceps are screaming. No equipment needed, just furniture you already have. Exercise number 3, pike push-ups. Shoulders, baby. Get into a downward dog position. Butt up in the air like you're trying to show it off. Then press yourself up and down. It's basically a shoulder press, but your legs are the barbell. Want it harder? Put your feet on a chair. That's endgame shoulder development. Exercise number 4, squats and lunges. Leg day, baby. Everyone's favorite. Now, body weight squats feel easy because most people do them wrong. If you're just bouncing up and down, yeah, that's not doing much. Try pause squats instead. Go down. Hold at the bottom for 3 full seconds. 1, 2, 3, then explode back up. Your legs will be shaking. Or do jump squats. Add some explosiveness. Or if you really hate yourself, pistol squats. Single leg squats. These are absolutely brutal. Your balance, your strength, your ego, everything gets destroyed. Exercise number 5. Hollow body holds and planks. Core work. Listen, you can't skip this. A strong core is literally the foundation of everything. You can't have a strong chest if your core is weak. It's like trying to fire a cannon from a canoe. It just doesn't work. Hollow body holds. Lie on your back. Lift your shoulders and legs off the ground. Press your lower back into the floor. Hold. This is what gymnasts do to build insane core strength. And planks? Yeah, everyone knows planks, but most people do them wrong. You've got to actually squeeze your glutes. Tilt your pelvis. Engage your core like you're bracing for a punch. Don't just lay there like a wooden board hoping for the best. Make it hurt. Alright, now here's how you put all this together. The 3-day split. Monday, push day. Push-ups. 4 sets till you can't do any more. Pike push-ups. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Diamond push-ups for triceps. 3 sets to failure. Plank. 3 sets, 60 seconds each. That's it. Chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Done. Wednesday, pull day. Inverted rows. 4 sets to failure. Chin-up grip rows if you can. 3 sets to failure. Bicep holds. Just hang and hold for 30 seconds each arm. 3 sets. Hollow body holds. 3 sets, 30 seconds. Back, biceps, core. Boom. Friday, legs and full body. Squats, 4 sets, 20 to 30 reps. Get those legs burning. Lunges, 3 sets, 15 reps each leg. Jump squats, 3 sets, 10 reps. Then finish with push-ups, 2 sets to failure. And plank, 2 sets, 60 seconds. Rest on Tuesday, Thursday, and the whole weekend. That's the split. 3 days a week. 0 equipment. 0 excuses. One last thing before you leave. You can have the most perfect workout plan in the world, but if your nutrition is trash, you're not gonna build muscle. So here's the one nutrition rule that matters more than everything else combined. Eat enough protein. That's literally it. About 0.8 to 1 gram per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 150, eat about 120 to 150 grams of protein every day. Chicken, eggs, Greek yogurt, beans, lentils, protein shakes. It doesn't matter where it comes from. Just hit that number and eat slightly more calories than you burn, like 200 to 300 extra calories per day. Your body needs that energy to actually build the muscle. You can't build a house without materials, right? It's the same thing with muscles. Do this consistently for 12 weeks and you will build noticeable muscle. Also, I put together a completely free PDF. It's got the entire 12-week program. Every exercise, every set, every rep. The link is in the description. Grab it before I change my mind and take it down.